These are check valves, so the water don't go back the other way. So I got those in today. I got the hot water tank hung, and I got the SharkBite fittings for that too. So I'm running my lines to the pump and the accumulator. I also got my pre-filter today and the check valve, not check valve, ball valve, so I can turn the water off if I have a situation. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'll let you know when I get more hooked up.